Hello, good morning. I am really going to be posting a lot of daily vlogs. The washing machine is having a right field day. He clearly agrees with me. I've chosen to try and post daily vlogs where my vlogs can kind of be an escape. So I know what's going on, and I've mentioned already and I've posted on my Instagram hoping for the best for you guys, and I'm sending all the positivity and love. I want something that I can watch and not have to think about it, which is why I think I've been watching loads of old Zoella vlogs, because it's like a different time. So that's what I'm going to do with my vlogs, and I hope you can respect my decision. Every now and then there might be a mention of it, obviously, because this is my daily life, and daily life, obviously that's what's currently going on. But welcome. So this morning it is Sunday. We do have church, but this morning instead I'm going to have a little read. Obviously Francis gave me this, and look at this, okay? This, the attention to detail is phenomenal. It's a little ruler. How fantastic is that? She's actually a wizard, I swear, a wizard in another life. I kind of want to bake something this afternoon, because that's what I like to do on my Sunday afternoons. A little browse in the book and see, look, it's got these pie charts for different baking things, so you can play around and, oh my gosh, look. Outfit of the day is from that company, which is so good. They have good sweatshirts. It's called Cloak Vintage, and it's like this blue. It's very me. And then and I'm gonna have a hot water, I think, to start my morning off. Hi. So my hair's just not cooperating today. It's just not working. Do you know what it is? So the shampoo and conditioner I've been using has made it a bit shinier. No, it doesn't look shinier, but it's just, I need to get to the bottom of this fluffy, floofy. It's like fluffy. Look how fluffy it is. I've tried to pin a bit back, but it's too heavy, but we're just gonna work with it. I'm about to go to churchy poos. You can see these little guys. Ping, ping. Sometimes I wish that certain things made sound effects, you know? So sometimes at church when I have to do stuff on stage and everyone's staring at me, I just hear blinking. Like, I pretend that I'm in a cartoon and they're like, ding, ding. Do you know what I mean? I can't explain it. I also need to stop saying, do you know what I mean? Because I say that all of the time. I don't know where that came from. Was this time last year we went to Bath? Did we go at Easter or May half term? Easter. I keep thinking Easter's next Sunday, but it's not, is it? Really? It's Mother's Day next Sunday. Flip! What are we doing?
I don't know.
Are we gonna cook her a meal?
I don't know.
Pants, I totally forgot that. I need to put deodorant on. I nearly forgot to wear deodorant. That would be actually a bad thing. You know what I'm saying? We can't. See? I'll either say, do you know what I'm saying, or do you know what I mean? It's just not good. Let's go for native today. No, I'm not. You know I would tell you if I was being sponsored. Never done a sponsorship, guys.
We're being vlogged.
They're being vlogged.
Is this for second channel?
Yeah. Hey, we're at church now.
That's such a...
Right, I'm going to go around and say one good thing that's making you happy right now. No, we're not. James, I'm not putting that in. This is a positive space. We're not having that. Go on, one good thing.
Start over there, that older.
Wait.
Whoa. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Remix.
Right, I'm not. They're not getting the time.
I've not been infected yet. That's a good one.
Yeah, but
Handsome now, Zach.
I saw it.
Sorry.
no positive things here.
Oh, I still haven't watched it.
I saw it opening week.
Oh. So I went to church, had a good time, then came home, and then Jesse had absolutely no food in his house, so we had to go to the supermarket. I know we probably shouldn't be going out and things like that, but I don't know what how else are you supposed to get food if you need food? Like Jesse, you've seen his fridge. He has no food in his house, so we had to go, and I thought I'd vlog it. Oh my gosh, Co-op is rammed. That is rammed, Jesse. I've never seen Co-op that busy in my whole entire life. Anyway, we're going to the supermarché. Oh, look at that doggy. Oh, it's so good. Ah! Look at that dog, Jess. Isn't that gorgeous?
Labradoodle?
Yeah. Or a cockapoo. Might be.
A blend of dogs.
A blend of all the dogs. It's a hybrid. Why are dogs not called hybrids instead of
technically are, like an F1 car. That's besides the point. It's the same thing.
No, because people call dogs.
Well, you get, so in fishing you have an F1 carp, which is basically a crucian carp and another carp that have come together. It's a hybrid.
No.
Oh, I shouldn't come this way.
I did tell you not to come this way.
If this car actually wants to hurry up, then I might be able to take the next spot, but he does need to move out of the way.
Move,
Right.
Putch!
Get out of the way, son.
I think that car's parked. No, you shouldn't have come this way. I don't know why you come this way every time.
Plenty of space. As long as it's just this. People just don't drive.
Yeah,
Gee,
she said thank you.
We appreciate that.
We love that. We love a
Nothing
bit of
worse
kind
than
generosity.
letting someone through and they don't give you that hazards or a hand signal. And you can drive, so you should
look
know.
at him just.
That was not a baby, by the way.
No, it's an old man.
That was an old man.
It's really. Right, how busy is it going to be?
I'm praying it's not very.
It's going to be
There's a lot
so
of cars already.
busy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, don't do it. Oh, there's a space. Oh, that's disabled. It's not that
For a
busy.
Sunday, actually. Normally.
Sundays are normally rammed.
You normally wait in here.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Why?
It's not busy. I'm excited.
Praise the Lord.
Jesse, why is it not busy?
Turtles. What turtles? Koalas. It's Cashel.
I've spot there that really. Oh, look at that. There's two.
Nothing worse than hitting. Ah, my nails fell. She just clipped
He
it off.
just broke his neck. We're matching today.
Blue's
Clues. Jesse, what banana's your favourite here?
green.
That's a lie.
It's not.
Look at what he's picked. Green.
That's what you want, a little bit of dry texture.
You're gross.
Soft and mushy, but not good.
So what do you think about this? This looks like a different breed of banana.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
These ones look good.
That is disgusting.
That one like bright green.
You're gross. Everyone be panic buying. Jesse's contemplating buying the £3 pack of sweets. £2. And we can't find pesto. Tesco. What do we think about Tesco?
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going. Oh,
Hello.
as bad as I thought it was going to be, but there's still quite a lot of things missing. No flour, no toilet roll,
No eggs.
no eggs.
There was loads of bread and stuff though.
Yeah. Yeah, top tip, freeze bread. I learned that from Grace. I'll give her a shout out.
I can't believe you didn't know to be.
Well, no, because just.
Do you know what I have to say though? Every time I've gone to a store, the staff have been so lovely, considering how long they're working and how many extra hours. Yeah. They're being so nice. I remember Morrison's. They were so efficient. I'm really impressed with them actually. Oh, fantastic! That Fiat saw us coming.
Appreciate that, brother.
We love it. Yeah, fresh fruit. It's fine. And veg. Guys, it's official. So I just went for a little walk and I have just used up my last Christmas bath product. I used the Lush little Santa bath bar. That's really stupid. I probably should have stocked up on some Lush products ready for some baths. And I'm about to use my new seafoam candle with my bath. Like everyone. What does that remind me of? No, it reminds me of Cloverfield. Did anyone else have to watch Cloverfield for media? I had to watch Cloverfield for media and for some reason it was so scary to me. Anyway, I made bagels a few weeks ago on a vlog and I posted the vlog at the same time as Claire from Bon Appetit made her bagels. And everyone was like, wow, what the heck? Oh, I have more in here than I thought. And now I want to make mini bagels because Claire made mini bagels and I just feel like that would be necessary in my life right now. So I'm going to make some mini bagels, but they won't be finished until tomorrow. Why does this little clip of my bun crack me up so much? Like, why is this so funny to me? I'm clean now. Does anyone else's face go so red after they've washed it? It literally looks... Alright, we're going to test the candle. So let's put the candle on. I'm doing the meal prep thing. But thank you. I prepped all my meals for the whole 5 days. Thanks, love you. That's dedication to the vlogs, guys. I'm not having McDonald's. I wish it smells so good already. Look, when I wash my face, this random little curl. Oh my gosh. Dad and I are about to finally put together the colouring carriage because your girl can't work it out.
Whee.
Oh my gosh, it's so bright, Dad.
Yeah.
It burns.
And what's the other one? Over here. That way. Hold it.
See what I mean? It is a bit complex. than it says. It is. Updates on the carriage. She's just coming. Is it hard to put together, Dad?
Not overly.
Would a child be able to do it?
No.
Would a 22-year-old daughter of yours be able to do it?
No.
No. Oh my word, it's beautiful.
What did you expect?
Do you remember as a kid I loved colouring so much? This would have been my actual heaven. I mean, it still is. Oh, look at this, it's got a fully functioning door. I feel like Banksy will love that. Can't work out how to do these little flaps. You done it? Hiya! Do you like it in there? She just walked straight in the door, didn't you, Banks? You absolutely love it. Banksy! She loves it. She actually thinks it's her castle. Hello, we're now moving on to Monday, and Mum gave me a list of things that she really needed, and obviously they're in school, so the supermarkets, whenever they get back from school, are empty of everything. So I was like, I'll go and see if I can get anything for you, because we urgently needed toilet roll, but I explained that in this part. So she has a list here of things that she needs me to get. We urgently need toilet rolls. We literally have 2 left because, as I said, she didn't stockpile. I've come to Morrison's at opening time because I'm a dedicated daughter and they're obviously all at work still because they've still got school. So I'm going to go to Morrison's and hopefully find these things on her list. Fingers crossed. I have good hopes for it. Morrison's isn't that full right now, but I know it will get full. The shelves were very well stocked, but there were no toilet rolls, pasta or rice. Hi everyone, the sun is shining, it feels good. It feels good to be alive and thriving. It feels really, yeah, the sun is just really a pepper for my step. So I'm actually at Sainsbury's now. Waitrose and Morrison's have both not had toilet roll. And obviously I went to Tesco's yesterday and they didn't have any, so I presume they won't have got any yet. But we need toilet rolls. It's not like a want at this point. It's not like, oh, let's stock up on some. I also really want some Biscoff to bake with, but that's just for my own selfish desires. But I don't really think anyone will be stockpiling Biscoff now, will they? Just got back from Sainsbury's, I got the toilet rolls, and I'm about to do a food haul for you guys. Some random eclectic mix of things. I need to put my slippers on because my feet are cold. Okay, so in here we've got Just Roll cinnamon rolls, which actually don't go out of date for ages. I love these things and they're on offer. Can you believe Biscoff, last one? Again, funny what people are buying. It's really shocking me. Got some hot crust buns, 2 for £1. Who doesn't want a cheeky little hot? Maybe I should make some. Eggs. Got some Mum requested grapes. Not sure why of all the fruit, but I got her some grapes, 2 for £3. You know what's good. And then some Calgon. Mum wanted Calgon. This was the really extensive list that she requested. Some toothpaste. She also requested prunes, so random. Also got soap, chocolate fudge cake as an emergency for, I'm not going to say what, it's the celebration, but it's just in case I don't have time to make a proper cake, because actually that cake is really good and I know all my baking friends are going to think it's absolute sabotage, but I'm not a snob. This, if you've not got any time, tastes good. Put my hands up and it was reduced, so whatever. Got some raisins and a little tiny thing of plain flour because that was all that was left, and an almond milk. Woo! So I've come for a walk and it's literally so beautiful outside. I'm having the best time in the sun. No one's around, so it's just by myself. It's a great time. Hello, so I've been for a stroll and I've just got my bagel dough. I'm making mini bagels because Claire on Bon Appetit made some and now I want to make some. What size she said she made them, that's annoying. What's a 3/4 ounce? What's 3/4 of an ounce? I'll do them 1.3.
Half of that again, that's half of the
It's
half.
absolutely tiny. That's too mini. That's really mini bagels, right? I feel like I'm back at uni whenever I weigh dough. I never weigh dough when I'm by myself. She made them into a ball and she tugged a wee little hole. My gosh, this feels so weird. Doing 2 at once. Right, the bagels are being left. I'm gonna tidy this up. We're gonna wait Now Claire left hers overnight, but if I'm honest, I just want a bagel now. So you can either leave them overnight or you can prove them out at room temp. So that's what I'm gonna do. We've had a bit of a catastrophe. The mini bagels are done, but they don't have holes. They're essentially rolls. But they're cute. They're not actually that mini. I should have done it this. Never underestimate Claire. I'm going to try one of the bagels. Pretty good. Can do with a bit of butter though, I reckon me.